Evaluating the worth of the $3,500 Vision Pro. In the realm of professional equipment, the Vision Pro, priced at $3,500, inevitably raises eyebrows and sparks curiosity. This high-tech gadget, with its hefty price tag, naturally propels us to probe deeper and ask the pertinent question: is the Vision Pro really worth it? First, please like and subscribe to keep up with the latest content. The Vision Pro boasts a wide array of features that justify its price to a certain extent. With state-of-the-art technology, it caters to a broad spectrum of professional needs, offering value-added services that are hard to find in ordinary devices. Each feature is designed with precision, aiming to enhance user experience and efficiency. Understanding the price of Vision Pro requires a closer look at what goes into its making. The cost not only covers the advanced features but also includes the expenses of research and development, licensing, marketing, and branding. It's a package deal that offers more than just a product. The technology behind Vision Pro is another factor contributing to its price. The gadget is equipped with cutting-edge tech that is often exclusive, patented, or hard to duplicate. This technology not only provides superior performance but also ensures the product's longevity, adding to its overall value. When compared with its competitors in the same price range, Vision Pro's potential becomes evident. It stands out, not only in terms of its technological prowess but also in its ability to deliver on its promises. The product's performance, coupled with its advanced features, make it a worthy contender in the high-end market. Vision Pro sets itself apart from its competitors with its unparalleled features. Its superior display, enhanced connectivity options, and state-of-the-art technology make it a standout choice for professionals seeking a high-end, performance-driven product. The distinctive offerings of Vision Pro are what justifies the high price tag. Diving into the user experience, Vision Pro has received rave reviews for its performance. Users have particularly appreciated its crisp display, seamless operation, and high-speed processing. The easy-to-navigate interface and the sleek design also add to the overall positive user experience, making the Vision Pro a favorite among many. Analyzing the cost-benefit ratio, the Vision Pro, despite its high price tag, offers an impressive return on investment. The quality of its performance, coupled with its durability in advanced technology, makes it a worthwhile investment for those in need of a high-performing, reliable product. Speaking of the manufacturer's reputation, the brand behind Vision Pro is known for its commitment to quality and innovation. Their products are often lauded for their superior performance, innovative features, and durability. This reputation adds to the trustworthiness of the Vision Pro and its value for money. The durability of the Vision Pro is another aspect worth considering. The product's sturdy build, top-notch components, and the brand's promise of longevity make it a durable option. This is a crucial factor for users who want a product that can withstand the test of time. Vision Pro's versatility is remarkable, catering to a wide array of needs. It's not just a one-trick pony, it's designed to adapt to various scenarios, making it an excellent choice for diverse usage. Its capacity to serve multiple purposes makes it an attractive investment, despite the high price tag. The support and warranty offered by Vision Pro match its premium pricing. Customers receive excellent backup, including swift and helpful customer service and a comprehensive warranty. This reassurance adds value, making the high initial cost less daunting for potential buyers. Vision Pro's role in professional settings is also significant. It's not just an extravagant gadget for personal use. Professionals across industries praise it for its advanced features, reliability, and efficiency. This recognition in professional circles further justifies the price for many. When considering its resale value, Vision Pro holds its own. It retains a significant portion of its value over time, unlike many of its competitors. This means that even after years of use, it can still fetch a decent return. The affordability aspect of Vision Pro is a complex issue. While it might seem expensive to the average consumer, when you consider its versatile usage, professional recognition, resale value, and the quality of support, it begins to look like a worthwhile investment. The price of Vision Pro may seem steep, but its impact on productivity can be a game changer. This advanced gadget boasts features designed to streamline tasks, reduce errors, and enhance overall performance. When you factor in the time saved and the potential increase in output, the cost may indeed be justified. Now, let's cast our gaze toward the future. Is Vision Pro a long-term investment? The answer is a resounding yes. With its robust build, cutting-edge technology, and the brand's commitment to updates and upgrades, this device is designed to serve you for years to come. Despite the apparent advantages of Vision Pro, it's worth exploring alternatives. The market offers cheaper options with similar features. While these may lack certain elements of Vision Pro's superior design and functionality, they may serve as viable options for those on a tighter budget. To make an informed decision, one needs to weigh the pros and cons of investing in Vision Pro. On the one hand, it promises enhanced productivity, durability, and long-term service. On the other hand, its high price and the availability of cheaper alternatives are factors to consider. In conclusion, the question of whether the $3,500 Vision Pro is worth it is not a straightforward one. It depends on individual needs, budget, and long-term plans. However, there's no denying that for those who can afford it, Vision Pro offers an unmatched blend of features, performance, and future-proof technology.